Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've got the clip selected, so start by opening the inspector. Press Command 4 or click the Inspector button. Once the video inspector is visible, locate Compositing. This is where Opacity lives. You're doing this now so you can directly control how transparent the clip is without stacking effects. Make sure the clip isn't nested in a compound clip, as that hides some controls. Now that compositing is ready, move to the Opacity control to make visible changes immediately. Once the animation lane is open, you can add keyframes where you want the fade to start and stop. Click the opacity line or use the inspector slider to set values. You're keyframing opacity so the change happens over time rather than instantly. For precise control, scrub the playhead, add a keyframe at the start, move to the endpoint, and lower opacity to 0 for a fade out or set to 50% for a subtle see-through look. Make sure easing feels natural by spacing keyframes. To finish, preview the transition and render if playback skips. Final Cut will composite faster after rendering. If you need the same opacity on multiple clips, copy the clip, choose Paste Attributes and include compositing. Once done, export or continue grading. If you can't find opacity settings, check whether the clip is inside a compound clip or an effect is overriding compositing. Remove the effect or edit inside the compound clip. That resolves most missing opacity issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.